then show us. What's happening?
So this is the king bedroom, especially for you and Daddy. I can't do it. I would love to jump on it, but I've got wet feet.
Yeah, no, don't do now. Maybe we can ask Daddy to sleep there.
This is my bed. It's just amazing. We got snacks, drinks.
Woohoo! That's not for Daniel.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
I don't know how you open this. There you go, right there.
A cooler, wine cooler.
And that's wine for you, not me. And there's some wine glasses.
3 bottles every day.
Snacks here. And here we have a safe. We're not going to use it because we don't use safes.
So no.
And there's loads of storage. We got, what is it called, bathrobes, and we got waterproof jacket just in case it
Oh look,
rains.
it's an extra bed or something. What's that?
Yeah.
And
I might
umbrellas.
Yeah. We're not going to use that at all. Let's go to my favourite part.
Open sesame.
Mind your step. We turn on the light.
Do you want to turn the light on?
Yeah.
Yeah, here it's, what time is it now? It's 7:30 p.m.
So have you ever been to the toilet which is outside? The answer's no, so...
Okay, so we've got...
So we got toilet
2
outside,
sinks.
we got 2 sinks.
Okay, one's for ladies, one's for
Gents.
boys.
Yes.
Gents, so I'm having this one, you two having that one.
Shower. Get clean. Hello. And the most favourite part of all.
Oh, that's the shower. Wait, mister. Some plants around. Some...
It's my favourite part, the jacuzzi.
The jacuzzi.
I just wet my bum.
Where is
it's
the
a jacuzzi.
buttons? Oh, they're the buttons. Okay, so we need to try and stay tonight. We're
But there's
definitely tonight.
ants might raid us, you know.
Let's see, apparently there's lots of lizards. You might see a lizard. Well, I saw a lizard
saw a
earlier,
lizard?
but it was a baby lizard. It was really tiny.
Where did you find it?
It was here, right in this corner.
You
So
might.
maybe they're going inside, Daniel. They're probably going to crawl on the
And
on the walls.
we got relaxation. Oh, is this full of paper? Oh, yeah.
What is it?
It's like a little plant. And we got relaxation
Nice, baby.
next to jacuzzi.
What's that?
I'm gonna do a jacuzzi tonight.
Yeah, oh, definitely we're doing jacuzzi tonight.
Waiting for my suitcase
Yep.
to arrive. And that is it. This is my favourite part.
Oh yeah, we don't have our suitcases.
Yeah, I need to get changed. I'm using it straight away.
Hmm.
So let's. Bye bye.